Good morning all, I am Suresh. In this video, I will show the free screen recorder, which is a best recorder for recording your videos. What is the advantage of this recorder is, after recording your video, those videos will be directly uploaded onto the website. So that you just copy that link and you can send that link to the students. So what is the name of that recorder is, I will go to this Google. Just type Loom screen recorder. So this Loom screen recorder comes in two different ways. One is your desktop app and another is your Chrome extension. Previous video I have already shown one screen recorder using Chrome. In the same way you can have this Loom for Chrome. What you need to do is you just click on this add to Chrome. So it will give this message whether I want to add as an extension. So just click on this add extension. So it will be added as an extension. And another is, so it is already added as an extension over here. And another is, you can download the desktop version also. Just click on this download for PC so that it will be downloaded. And in the download section you will see this Loom setup. First of all, I will show how to use this Chrome extension. So for this one, once this is added, then you will get this remove from Chrome. Okay, as it is already added, you just go to this extensions and this is there, Loom for Chrome. Just click on this pin extension so that you will get over here. Just click on this one. So whenever you are adding this or using this Loom for the first time, you will get this thing. So you just sign in with your Google account. That will be done, asked only for the first time. Once this Loom extension was installed, you just click on this Loom for Chrome and it will show this interface in which whether you want to record both screen plus cam, or whether you want to record only screen, or whether you want to record cam only. If you click on the screen plus cam, then it will record both screen plus cam. So like this you will have this one. And you can resize also, and here we have different options like cancel recording or resume or start recording. You will have this start recording over here also. And if you want to click on the screen only, then only screen will be recorded and it will take the default image from your Gmail, as I am logging with my Gmail account. Whether you want to record only cam, then I will select this cam only. But for preparing this educational videos, it is better to select this screen plus cam and full desktop, and you just click on this start recording. Whenever I click on this start recording, whether you want to record the entire screen or whether you want to record this application window, this window will be coming. If you want to record a particular window like PPT or PDF, then I will select that particular window and I will click on share. But if you want to record the entire screen, then you just select that particular entire screen and click on share, so that the recording will be started and you will start explaining. Whatever I am explaining over here, that entire thing is recording. And in between, if you have any disturbance, you just click on this pause, then the recording will be paused. And once that disturbance is over, then again I will click on resume, so that again recording will be started. Once everything is done, you just click on this finish recording. So the main advantage of this Loom screen recorder is once that screen recording is finished, it will automatically upload it on the Loom website. If you want to change the name of this video, just change this video to some other name. Okay, C++ video, something like this. You can copy this link and you can share with students. And one more thing is, you can trim this video. If anything is, I will start, if you want to play this one, you will start explaining. Whatever I am explaining over here, that info, it will be coming, right? So in between, if you don't want anything, if some mistake happened, then you can trim also that video. Just click on this trim, just click on this start trim. So if this is not at all good, this part is not good, then you just select that particular part and you just click on remove. And you just click on this publish changes. So that everything will be published again with the modified changes, so that you can download this particular video and you can upload in YouTube, or you can duplicate the video, or you can delete the video, or you can copy this link and you can share that link with the students. So this is about this Loom Chrome extension. Extra portion will be there. Okay. Once it is downloaded, just click on this one. App is installed, you just double click on this Loom desktop shortcut. It is exactly similar to your Chrome extension. Is you will have this buttons also. So whether you want to record screen plus cam, whether you want to record screen only, or whether you want to record cam only. So I will select this screen plus cam, and I will select this built-in webcam, or in the previous video I have already shown how to use your mobile as a webcam, so you can use that also. And you will use this default microphone and you just click on this start recording. Now the recording is started, and open your PPT. Once this PPT is open, you just here you can see whether you want to stop the recording, or whether you want to restart, whether you want to pause, or you can have this draw also. You just click on this draw and you can select this pointer options, and you can resize also, and you can start explaining over here by using this pointer. You can change this size and you can start explaining. I can open the other everything whatever I am discussing now, that will be recorded. So you will select the color and you can start explaining. Okay, so this is your operator. So once everything is done, if you want to stop the recording, then if in between if you want to if you get any disturbance, you just click on this pause, otherwise you can stop the recording. So once this stop recording is pressed, it will automatically upload it on the website. So whatever I recorded, that everything will be uploaded on the website. You just copy this link and you can share with your students. Or if you want to trim this video, you can just trim the video. Or you can download the video and you can upload on the YouTube. And you can delete the video also. Okay. This is the best screen recorder which will do everything. Like once that video is recorded, it will automatically upload it on the website, so that you can copy this link and you can share with the students. And at the same time you can download this video and you can upload onto the YouTube, or you can delete this video, and you can also do trim options. Whatever the unwanted portion that is there in my video, that also I can trim, and again I can publish, and again I can share that link to the students. Hope this video will be useful to the teachers who wants to record their screen and PPTs. Please like, share my videos and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you all.